Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful places of Pakistan. Naran Kagan and Babusar and other green areas are adorable beauty of Allah's nature. Whereas Kurdu, Baltistan, Hamza are defined Allah's lordliness glory. The mountains surround me, remind me of His majesty, and the greenery of Naran, Kagan, and Sawat remind me Allah's lovable nature. Always heard that Pakistan has all kind of beauty in it, but seeing is believing. KHARMANG Waterfall is a stunning, splendid, and a natural waterfall located in the Baltistan. There is a hidden message in every waterfall. It says, if you are flexible, falling will not hurt you. KHARMANG Waterfall is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Pakistan.